in section 4.2, talking about sine and cosine laws for obtuse triangles. The example I'm doing is on page 165 of the textbook. It says in an obtuse triangle, angle B measures 23 degrees, and its opposite side B has a length of 40. Okay, so if I draw just a typical obtuse triangle, we'll say this is B, it has an angle of 23, and the side opposite of it has a length of 40 centimeters. Side A is the longest side of the triangle with a length of 65 centimeters. So this is the longest side of the triangle. And we want to find the measure of A. So we should be able to do sine law. And we have 65 matches with the opposite side, with the opposite angle of sine A. And that will be equal to the 23 is the opposite of the 40. So sine 40 over sine 23. So when we cross multiply, it'll be sine 23 times 65 will equal sine A times 40. So we want A by itself. Sine A, so we'll divide by 40, divide by 40. So sine 23 times 65 divided by 40 will give you 0.6349. That is what our sine A is. So we will hit shift sign or second sign of the calculator, 0.6349, and we will find the degree to be 39 degrees. Okay, if we look, this angle is an obtuse angle. So does it make sense that this is a 39 degree angle? No. Obtuse means it has to be greater than 90. So to find the obtuse angle, we would go 180 minus 39, and we would get 141 degrees. Okay, let's jump over to example 2 on page 166, and it says Colleen and Ron appeared to their balloon advertising the opening of a new fitness center. They were 250 meters apart, joined by a line that passed directly below the balloon, and were on the same side of the balloon. John observed the balloon at an angle of elevation of 7 degrees. Okay, so this will be 7 degrees. While Colleen observed the balloon at an angle of elevation of 82 degrees. Here's the balloon. So this is S, this is Colleen. This is 82 degrees. So to find this angle, we should be able to go 180 minus 82, which would be 98 degrees. So then we can find this angle also by going 180 minus 98 minus 7, leading us to 75 degrees. Okay, the question says determine the height of the balloon. So the height of the balloon. So that will be this side. So we can use sine law if we want. So we can say angle 7 matches with the height of the balloon. So x over sine 7. And we know This is 75 and it matches with 250. So 250 over sine 75. So if we cross multiply, we have sine 75 times x and sine 7 times 250. We'll divide by sine 75 so that we have x by itself. So if you go sine 7 times 250 divided by sine 75, you will get